Hey guys, MI Treasure Hunter here. Today I'm going to be checking out this LED matrix panel. What it is an LED sign. This is a 5-inch by 27-inch long product. It's meant for like car windows, shop windows. You could put in your own home window. You can actually put it on a wall or any type of surface like that. So I'm going to go ahead and roll the footage of nighttime when it's already been installed. So you guys that are impatient, you can actually see what the product looks like right away. I do like the product. This one is by SanLank. I'll have the product just in the description below. But I'll go ahead and run this footage and you can see what it looks like. Now this is through my Jeep's pretty highly tinted factory window. This is in my garage. Lights are on. And this is just with the white color. I am very impressed. Obviously if it was out in the sunshine, it wouldn't be as bright. And if it was at nighttime, it'd be much brighter. Hold on, I'm going to change it to some different colors so you can get an idea of that. Okay, so I changed it to just some random colors, and you know, this is through my very highly tinted factory but dark tinted Jeep windows, and I'm impressed. This is actually pretty cool. You can see my, let's say you can see my dash cam, well, the rear dash cam, but you know, that's how it's looking. My vehicle's kind of dirty, but not very visible. You know, it's not, I'm sure in the daylight it will be, but look at that. I mean, that is awesome. So yeah, that's the SanLank. And this is the 27 by 5 inch. And boy, this is awesome. Can't wait till dark. I'll take one more video after dark. At nighttime, this is really bright. This is the actually this is the white color, but because it's going through my tinted rear window, this is what it's showing up as. I'll put on something that's got a little bit more color. And this is blue and it's yellow. Blue again, like a magenta, white, and red colors in this one. And this one has pretty much got all of the colors in it. Like I said, everything is customizable, including the speed, the direction of what the text is going. With this app, there's so much customization. This sign is really cool. I'm going to be using it for, well, I'll run it in here, and then I'll actually use it for my Christmas light display sign next year. MI Treasure Hunter here. Today I'm going to be checking out this LED matrix panel. Basically, it is a sign, and it is the one by the Amazon seller SanLank. I will have a link in the description below for this exact product, but I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. I'm not getting any commission from this. So let's go ahead and open the box up. First of all, the app that you're going to need to run this is right here. You can scan it, and we'll be doing that here shortly. I'm going to see what's in the box. So in the box, we have some. Basically, it's a double-sided, little thin double-sided tape, because these are for like putting in windows, car windows, home windows, shop windows. Then we have the basically information card about what type of chargers to use. You cannot plug these into a computer. You're not supposed to do that. The voltage is wrong or something. And then a little guide about the unit itself. Then we have, it does come with the car charger, or power adapter I should say, because like I said, put it in car windows, or if you want to use it in a home setting, you have to use one of your own, but get a wall adapter. It's got to be 5 volts, and I don't think it's supposed to be over 2 amps or something like that, but definitely 5 volts. So I'm going to try this one. This is a 5 volt, 1 amp. This is just an Amazon Fire Stick power adapter. And then we have the unit itself. So, I should say, well, first of all, here is the cable that connects to it and to your power supply. There is an on-off switch here, that's for powering the unit on and off. And then this right here, I guess from what I'm reading, changes the direction or the type of style that the text is displayed, whether it's scrolling to the left, scrolling to the right. It changes the effect of the text or animation. So get that out of the way, and then finally we get out this sign. Now these things are they're not real fragile, but you gotta treat them with care, you know. And I'll take the measurements. This one's actually pretty big. I'll have to get it out here. And I'm gonna actually measure it here. So this is, it's like 4 3/4 by about 26 3/4. So it's the one that says a 5 by 27 inch. All right. So next, what we're going to do, and actually this is pretty heavy duty. Now this surface is tacky. I was watching another video and they're talking about that. Yeah, this surface is tacky. So try not to get it in a real dusty area or dog hair or anything, because you're going to have like stuff stuck to it. But I'm going to go ahead, take my other phone and download the app. I'm going to go ahead and just scan that in, and it just comes right up. It is called the Cool LED 1248. Touch on that and my phone will go out to the internet. And I want to do it with Google Play, and then I'll install it. And I know that it says basically it's going to give you that you need to turn your Bluetooth on. Okay, I got the app downloaded to this phone. I'm going to go ahead. I plugged this Amazon adapter here to the end of it. So that's 5 volts, 1 amp. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. And then, like I said, this is the on-off switch. So, and there you go. There is like the default setting. Thanks for your order. I'm going to go ahead and hit next step on the app and search device. And it's right there. So, okay, it says it is connected. So, let's just see. Let's just pick something real quick here. Let's see. These are all animated things. So let's just say like this one. Okay, so it's kind of cool. It's saying that it's uploading, so it's showing the percent of uploading. So it's not instantaneous. Oh, it also shows it on your phone also. So yeah, it can take a little bit of time. I don't know if like uploading like just text is quicker, because this is like animated hearts with some different stuff. So alright, there you go. That's cool. And I know this is actually, the colors are real accurate. It is very red. There is 7 colors in this palette. It's not an unlimited colors. It is 7 colors. But as you can see, I mean, this thing is bright. And let's see, just for the heck of it, it's on full brightness. I'll show what happens when you kind of like turn the brightness down. See, so I can turn the brightness down. So I drug it down, so, and then turn it all the way to the lowest brightness. Now, so you can see, I'm going to turn it all the way back up. And let's see, what is the graffiti tips long press? Okay, so graffiti, I believe that's where you actually make your own stuff. Animation, that's where you can make your own stuff. I'm going to actually just put some text in here. There's no text. Please add text first. Click the button. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to just type something up real quick here. Okay, so what I did is I came down here to just the custom text. I wrote the text that I wanted in there, just "Am I a treasure hunter?" Then you can come up here, it'll kind of give you a display of what it's going to look like. And you can actually click on each of these letters and change the color. So if I wanted that to be green, then that would be green. We'll change that back to, alright, press that R, go back to yellow. I'm going to go ahead and put a send. Okay, so I sent it to the actual sign, and there you go. I know it's hard to see. The colors are accurate. It is blue. Well, I should say the yellow, that's supposed to be yellow. It looks more green, but it's cool nevertheless. So let's see. So you can actually adjust from the thing. It's very, very customizable. Okay, so we can do static. Let's see. And my picture is actually too big, so static wouldn't work. Laser, you know, that really wouldn't work either. Not for a long message, if you're doing shorter messages, because yeah, only when it scrolls completely left or right. Then you can have, I think, as much text as you want. So we'll just leave it at that. But you can slow down from here. I'm gonna go ahead and slow down, so that's cool. So you can speed it up, make it go really fast, slow it down, make it go, it slowed it like all the way down. That's incredibly slow. Let's see, what's music? This function, blah blah blah, confirm. Basically it's going to use your microphone, and it's going to act like a like a synthesizer, I guess.
Not attempt to adjust.
Well, I gotta watch that. I don't want to get copyright struck for the music, but yeah. Anyways, that actually looks like a spectrum analyzer or a equalizer, so that's kind of cool. Go back to light and animation. Like I said, this will take some time to actually get used to the app. The concept is there though. You can come in here and you can save stuff, so I can have that saved to bring up at a later time. And I'm just going to go back and create something else. Okay, just wanted to show this. I actually turned my music down, so there's actually music playing and it is adjusting to the sound. It's actually playing on the phone and it's sending that music graphics to the sign, which is pretty cool. I'm going to turn off some lights. The colors are way more vibrant than what is actually showing on the video, I can tell you that. They're really bright, which is good because I'm going to put this in the back of my Jeep window, and it's got a dark factory tint, so we'll see what it looks like after it's actually installed, and I'll have some footage of that. At nighttime it probably will be not bad. During the daytime, not sure how much you'll be able to see it through there, but we're going to test that out next. So there's lots of stuff to do in this app. Lots and lots of stuff to do. It'll take some time, definitely, to get used to this app. Basically, it's not hard. It's just once you got to figure out, your way around the app, and it looks like you can make some really crazy animated stuff, but it probably would take you quite a while. Alright, so I propped it up a little bit, but the camera is just not catching how vibrant and bright and that these colors are. But anyways, so next I'm actually going to use the double-sided tape, and what I'm going to do now, be careful of this wiring right over here. I've seen issues that people have where they end up not being very careful with these, and they end up breaking them little wires off, and then it's done. But I'm going to actually use this double-sided stick tape. I'm going to go along the outer edge on the top and on the bottom, and then on each side I'm going to put probably several rows because it's a very thin tape. And then I'm going to find a spot and stick it in the back of my Jeep. And so I'll get back to you when I got that installed. Should be real easy. This is like 14.5 foot of cable here, so you're going to be able to run it. My Jeep has got a cigarette lighter adapter in the back, so I'll be able to grab power from there, but that's enough that I could run it from the front one if I wanted to. Just want to show you guys how I installed mine. Now obviously my hatch is up, so this would be the top, that's the bottom. So I put plenty of that double-sided tape on there. It's really cold out. Hopefully this is going to stay sticking. And also I went ahead and I put double-sided stick tape from about here to here on this piece of wire, so it wouldn't have this type of situation where this weight is hanging down and on this connector, because that could break easily. So I would suggest taping the wire also like I did. So this has been the SanLank LED matrix panel or LED sign. This was the 5 by 27 inch version. I like it, and I can see where it could have a lot of uses depending on in your vehicle. If you're Uber or Lyft, if you're a business, you can put a customized sign in your window of your business. I'm going to take it out of my vehicle. I'm going to be using it for Christmas lights, for the tune into radio station that I use. If you're a DJ or something, you can have custom messages, you know, scrolling across it. It's got a lot of different uses. The price isn't bad, so I recommend it. So anyways, till the next one.